This is a search with radius, so you can search nearby a particular property. And it's mostly Los Angeles because that's what's been geocoded, and Zillow. So let's just start with a simple starting point. If we reset, well, actually I do want this property because it seems to have a lot of property nearby. So let's go to this one. What would be a good thing to search for? Silver Lake. Available for rent. Something, just an example, right? Let's say you start with some property. You know the property. You go there. And it finds it. But now you want to find nearby properties. See? Click here. And of course you have to clear this up here because you're filtering, right? So now if you click, let's just see, we found 8 results nearby this one. And it's showing that the max is 5,500 and the min is, so this is the low point, right? And if you want to see them, you can just sort, price descending, there's the big one. And you can compare the beds and things like that. Let's say people want 1 bed, 15 beds. How in the world this thing got 15 beds? What has 15 beds? This is impossible. This thing can't have 15 beds. Maybe it's everybody. 12 unit does have 15 beds, but boy, oh boy, this is confusing. Yeah, they have misleading information here, but it's okay. Go back, ignore 15 beds. That's a nice thing about this is we can clear refinement and look at the beds, pick all the others. Don't pick 0 beds. Maybe you don't want 0 beds. So you got 3 beds and 1 bed. And let's compare 3 beds and 1 bed. It's hard to compare those two. Anyway, so most of these items are, let's see how many are each. There's 3 of 1 bed and 2 of 3 beds. So it's up to you how you want to compare them. So if we look at the averages, the min and the max, and the average is around 3,000. So let's compare apples to apples and just get rid of the 3 beds and see how so now see the price is narrowing right there. It's right around, so that's a good price around the average, probably right here for the current market for nearby these houses. So if we look at this, we can probably bring this guy down, 2,500 down to 2,400 maybe. And these are in different zip codes, but they're nearby each other, I guess. They must be on some boundary. And there it is. Peace out. Oh, and then I just want to show that you know, once you're in this mode where you're narrowed, you have to reset to get back to normal mode, right? And this thing is only Los Angeles is geocoded, but I could geocode everything. And of course you have all the power of date descending and all these sorts, and I highly recommend refining to understand that the prices, you can get rid of prices. This is only looking at things that are more than 1,000 or more, and 6,000 or less. That's kind of built into this, even though there are more than that. And look at this for baths. There's a lot of options for baths. And it has pages and everything. Okay, cool. Peace out.